This is Baddie maintenance on a budget. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taylor Dunn. If you're new here, welcome in. If you're not new here, connect the heart. Yeah. So y'all know I'm not gonna keep telling y'all I'm dropping these videos on Mondays and Wednesdays now. So today I'm going to get my hair did. I'm supposed to have a client at 9 o'clock, but I'm really late. Living in Houston and having to drive 30 minutes is killing me. I'm used to being at home and I can drive 10, okay? But that's neither here nor there. But we finna get ready to go and hit this interstate, get my hair did, and then do a trade. So, yeah, let's go, y'all. About my afro real quick, y'all. My hair has really been retaining really good oil. Like, it's... Like usually y'all, if I would have gotten in the shower and got out, my hair would have been smushed when I woke up from being asleep in the shower. But it's doing so freaking good. So I just wanted to come and tell y'all that, like, I'm really loving my afro. Hopefully by the summertime we'll have a really bigger afro. We really gonna be giving African princess. Okay? Y'all, why did I order a curbside pickup for Whataburger and my app just randomly picked a random Whataburger instead of picking the same Whataburger that I just had a curbside pickup at yesterday? That just ticked me off. So I just had to drive 20 minutes to go get my food and 20 minutes back to the shop. That's an hour. Now I'm very late to get in my hair. The devil trying to be busy, but I rebuke him in the name of Jesus. Let's go get this hair did, okay?
Into the luxury of
So crazy how my hair wrinkled. Yeah, I love getting my hair blow dried. It feels so good. A good wash and a good blow dry. Have me in heaven every time.
On it like, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know
I am so in love, y'all. I cannot wait for y'all to see the finished product. This is so freaking tea. Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all know I'm always trying something so cute. And the edges, they gonna eat. Even though my hair natural, y'all, we gonna pray on it. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I love. Comment down below and tell me if y'all like my hair. It is so stinking cute. I really love. Ray did her thing per usual. If y'all girls are in Houston, make sure y'all come and book my girl, okay? Oh, okay, she finna take pictures, y'all. Hold on. Y'all, my hair is so freaking beautiful. Like, she really did her thing with my hair. I just love it. I love it. It's so like different. Like, I'm always trying different styles. Like, one thing about me, when it comes out to some braids, like, they're never gonna be like anybody else's. They're always gonna be my own style, my own cup of tea. You know the vibe. I did do her nails or whatever, and her nails and her toes, but let me just let y'all see the whole vibes of my hair. Okay, y'all see? So cute, right? But y'all comment down below. Let me know if y'all like my hair. Let me know if y'all have any braid styles y'all want me to try next that's different. If it's something that's just like what everybody always getting, do not ask me to try it. Okay, but I will see you guys next week. I am getting ready to, I need to lay down. I'm super tired. It's like 11 o'clock at night and I'm driving 7 hours to go back home in the morning. So make sure y'all tune into that weekly vlog as well. Make sure y'all are caught up on all my videos on my vlogs. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, I know that I said I was just going to have a come get your hair done with me video, but I'm back, and I think I'm gonna turn this into a little mini maintenance vlog because now that I'm home, I can go ahead and get my lashes did. Y'all, I got this camera like sitting up like right in front of my face because this was a good angle. That other angle is terrible. But I'm heading to go and get my lashes filled in, so I'm gonna let my camera charge for a minute, and then I'll talk to y'all when I get there.
In an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.
Okay, y'all, I made it to my lash appointment. I'm late with my girl, Lil Me. T, my client, one of her toes did, y'all didn't know. But I think I won. What you had on here?
I think we had them up to 18s.
So can we do 16s?
Yes, ma'am.
I want just the cat eye.
Just a cat eye?
Yes.
Okay.
All the niggas round me, ride at it night. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying like mine. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living, nothing conventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be the man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find it.
On this video that you did my nails.
You telling them now?
Oh.
The universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a pause.
You see your lashes?
Losing love, repeating pain.
I know when you finish getting them lashes did, you gotta cut that air on, baby. These are cute though. These are cute. I got shorter lashes on my ends, y'all. Tell me when I get to the house because of course my camera is going dead. This is Baddie maintenance on a budget. Get into it. Get into it. Let's get into it. Lashes, Trey. I do her nails. Hair, trade. I do her nails. Nails. I did that. I do my own nails. Eyebrows. We're gonna go get our eyebrows waxed tomorrow. $15. Body. Hold on. Body. The gym. Actually, $39.99 because I got 2 memberships. Get into it. This is Baddie maintenance on a budget. Like, I really be trying to stay on a budget. Not only do I have 3 kids, to look nice. I like to have my hair did. I like to have my lashes did. My cat hating on me. Even if I do cluster lashes, because I have to have my nails did. Toes, my toes have to be did. And my nails can slide without my nails, but my toes have to be did. But I got my toes did like a while back. That's why I get acrylic French tip toes, because they last longer than a month. Like literally, I said look like somebody for under $80 because the gym membership count, baby. You pay for that every month. It counts in the maintenance because the body is banging. The body is tea. Oh, okay. I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow when I go get these eyebrows waxed. We gotta go get our eyebrows waxed today because this vlog has to be put out tomorrow. Let's go. Can I get my eyebrows waxed, please? God, my eyebrows is really thin. I just be getting them touched up.
Okay. Yeah, check clean up.
You see how thin they is.
I know.
So funny.
Like my apple.
Okay, now we're ending the vlog for real. I just finished my eyebrows too. Comment down below what maintenance you don't like to pay for and what maintenance you do like to pay for. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's just like a mini maintenance vlog. I don't know, just a quick little video of y'all being in my life for a day with maintenance on a budget. Baby. Anyways, love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back and watch my videos. Until next time, bye.